Hey, this is a update.
Facebook, things are coming down again. Watch out, Facebook is selling off some of the big tech again. Amazon was holding up earlier.
This is an update. It's on day 2 of my challenge here. We started on Monday. We're currently 29 ahead, but I currently made a new play. My first play was on SPY, SPY, and if we look at the history here,
Yeah, Euro flows coming in. So pretty much we're ending those Euro flows at close. Euro
here's your history.
pushing down 1.3.
Let's look at our SPY play we won here. Oh, here's a SPY play. Actually, I made it the same day, and I made $35 profit. And here's the 35 cents. Everything's multiplied by 100. So we got a $35 credit, and we let this expire worthless. I didn't close it out. And what it looks like on the options chain is actually, I'll show you an example because I have a live trade on Tesla. But I show you, I did exactly the same thing from Tesla, the same concept. So I got a $35 profit on the SPY the same day. The contract expired the same day. I got $35. Here, I made a play on, and actually at the same time, I made a play on USO, the USO ETF oil. And basically, what I want this to do is USO to stay between $64 and 73, and USO is 71 right now. So it's about this little bit high, but I think it may go down a little bit. I might take this. I might sell this out before I lose too much, because this current trade is losing $14, but we still have until the end of the week. And then currently, I have a new trade I made today on Tesla, and I'm actually, I made every single play the same type of play. It's called Iron Condor. All right. And basically on this play, we got a potential $130 profit, right? So we got a $130 credit, which will turn into a profit if Tesla stays between $800 a share and $935 a share. It has to stay between those two prices by Friday. If it does, we're going to collect the full $130 profit. That's the concept, and I can show you on the option chain here. See, but this is kind of a riskier play, but it's still safe where I can get out in time. But this is the actual live play. This is what it looks like for real. I sold the 800 and I sold the 935. 800, 935. So I'm going to stay between there, right? And see, we have a lot of cushion, but it's still, anything can happen by Friday. So we're actually at the sweet spot. We can just look at this delta just for looking at it. I can explain later. And we want to make sure the deltas are almost the same on both sides. So, and then if the deltas start getting a little bit higher on one side, I can always sell one side out, or I can basically, before this side loses money, I can sell out and ride the one that's actually making money. So, and since I got the bets on basically the same type of odds, the same type of odds here. Let's see. Yeah, see this range here? Let's see if we go in here. So we're looking at a 800, between 800 and 935. So I'm predicting it's going to stay between, actually we need to get the chart out a little bit. Let's go to 20 minute. So here's my bottom right here, and that's the reason why I picked this bottom, because there's so many. It tried to go down a couple times and then it couldn't go down below 800, 790. So I put it like an 800 to where I'm hoping that within the next by Friday, or actually I can cash in earlier. I'm not going to cash the entire 130, but if it drops below, that's what I don't want to do, is drop below 800 or so, below $800. And but oh, this is another play I have on corn, but this doesn't expire here until the end of the month, so I'm not even worried about this yet. Um, but this is the platform. This is my favorite platform, but I'm using Robinhood to do the trades because my last challenge, the $200 to $400 challenge, I probably paid $50, $60 commissions. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Look at all these lines here. Look at all these lines are minimum $1. So that's crazy, isn't it? So if I would have used Robinhood, I would have got to 200 to 400 a lot faster. But the problem is I don't have futures on. You can't trade future contracts on Robinhood. So this is the reason why I'd rather pay the extra fee, and I can day trade futures. And right now, the oil at this moment, if I would have made a play on oil, I probably would have doubled my money. But oil's dropping like crazy now. This is live. This is at 8:35 a.m. Oil is dropping like crazy. So when you can day trade oil, what I would do is I would just do the same. I'm going to do exactly the identical plays, the iron condor, selling iron condors. But now what I'm going to do is make a play on oil. I'm not going to make a play until we get profit up to 1,000. I might play it on a separate account, but I'm going to keep this account separate. I'm going to keep the $500 to $1,000 challenge on the Robinhood only. And I'm going to put some money in this account and trade oil, because it's once in a lifetime or once every 10-year opportunity that's going to happen. So I think I'm going to hit up some oil probably next week. So basically what I want to do is basically do a play like this, where you're basically not wanting the oil to go above a certain price. So if I risk 380, so this is a $500 collateral play, but we get 120, so we're risking, like, if I do this play now, I'm going to risk 350 maximum loss. All right. And all I want oil to do is not go above 113 per barrel on the futures contract, light crude oil futures. This is the most recent oil futures contract that expires, right? These are the strike prices. This is the current price right there. See the green dot? I don't want the price to go up there. That's the goal. But I'm not going to play it until next week, because it might drop below 100. But I'm going to sell something up here to where I don't want it to go up there. And if I were to play this now, I'd probably make 120 bucks. But the good thing about it is that we can play both sides at the same time and collect more money for less collateral. So if I look at the delta, see the delta is too high, so I'd probably go out more. Let's see if we can do this $100. Yeah, that's a sweet spot right there, 100. So let's look at the 31 on the bottom side. So let's just go one above 131. So we can risk 200 to make 300. But I don't want to play this on the downside. I think oil may go down, so I'm going to go way down here. All right, way down there. I'm going to go like way up here. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to go like down to like 90 and see what that pays here. So these two combined plays, covering the downside that oil is not going to go to 90 and oil is not going to go up to 117. We can collect oh, that's not right, $150 potential profit. I can press the send button. We can wait 16 days and we'll be collecting $170 profit. Only if the price of oil per barrel on the futures contract stays between 117 and it stays above 90. Now, is that a no-brainer? See, but during these times, oil probably can shoot up. It fluctuates so much that this is a risky play. So I'll make it less risky and go way out, keep going way out, and it's still not really changing. So this is a good bet, I think. So this is my next play. All right, so currently I want to wrap it up. It's too long. This video is too long. Okay. Right now we have until Friday, and we're making $10 on the Tesla play. We're losing 26 on the USO play. But USO, it's going up too high, so I might get rid of this play. But I'm gonna hold because we have until Friday. Oil might drop again, so that's a cool. All right, bye. That's it. And I can actually what I'm doing is recording my trades. I'll show you the spreadsheet, and I can probably share the spreadsheet. Here it is. I created an online spreadsheet right here, and this is the trades that I did. And right now we've only exited one position for a $35 profit. We still have two positions open right now. These are the potential profit. We got 100% of the potential profit. This one I have $40 potential profit, and the Tesla I have a $130 potential profit that expires on the 4th. So I'm gonna wait to these. Maybe by tomorrow, one of them will be profitable. So I can share the spreadsheet. It's a Google shared, so I can share it to anybody who wants it. I'm gonna record every day, and I can tell you if you have questions. I can tell you how to read my my journal there, my log. But that's it. Adios. Bye.